Hi everyone. When you work in Photoshop, you'll want to save all the layers that you created as a Photoshop file, which is a .psd, and then you'll also want to flatten it and save it as a JPEG. So to do that, just to save as a layered file, go to File, Save As, then just make sure that you're saving as a .psd and hit Save. And then to flatten your image, go to File, Export, and Export As. The default when you first start using Photoshop is a PNG file. You can change that, but if you want to change your default, you can go to File, Export Preferences, and change it yourself and have it set up for what you normally export your files as. So just make sure that when you save your Photoshop file that you save your layers first and then export it as a flattened file, which is for this assignment, it's a JPEG. Let me know if you have any questions.